AZCO Corp designed and manufactured a cut-to-length assembly with slitter station, roll feeder, ultrasonic welding unit, and unwind stations to precisely unwind, slit, and cut pieces of nylon and fiberglass material from a roll form. Individual rolls of material are loaded onto each of the cantilevered unwind assemblies based on material thickness. The cantilevered design allows for quick and easy loading of materials. Unwind stations have a variable speed motor and control panel. From the unwinds, individual layers of material travel through a dancer accumulator and a series of idler rollers. Each idler roller has a no product sensor that will automatically shut the unit down when no product is sensed traveling from the unwind stations. An ultrasonic welding unit welds all 3 layers of material before being pulled into the slitter station. The welded material is then pulled into the slitter station. Rotary shear blades provide long life and clean cuts. Layered material is then slit into individual strips. The slit material is then pulled into the cut-to-length station. Material is then cut into precise pieces. Cut pieces fall down a short safety enclosed exit chute. A jam sensor will automatically shut the unit down when there is no product sensed exiting the knife assembly. Knife assembly is contained in clear safety guarding. The unit has a color touchscreen for easy setup and operation. All components are mounted to a common aluminum frame. Please give us a call to discuss your application. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channels.